In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send welcome emails using Make, a powerful tool for automating tasks and workflows effortlessly. If you're someone who manages communications or frequently deals with new contacts, setting up automated welcome emails can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Make website. If you're not familiar with Make, it's essentially a platform that lets you connect different apps and automate processes without needing to write any code. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. You'll generally see a dashboard with several options to choose from. Once logged in, the next step is to click on the Templates section. This area is your gateway to a variety of pre-built workflows and automations that can save you loads of time by providing ready-made solutions for common tasks. Next, in the search bar, type in Team Leader. Team Leader is an app that helps businesses manage their clients, projects, and invoicing. By automating interactions between Team Leader and your email service, you can streamline your welcome email process significantly. After searching for Team Leader, you should see it appear on the list. Go ahead and click on it. This click will bring up a variety of automation templates that interact with the Team Leader app. What you want to do next is look for a specific template, the one designed to send welcome emails. Continue scanning until you find the template named Send Welcome Emails via Gmail. When new contacts are created in Team Leader, this particular template does exactly what our task requires, automatically acknowledging new additions to your contact list by sending out a friendly and welcoming email. Once you find the template, click on it. You'll be prompted to set it up and connect your data. This step is key as it's where you integrate the template with your actual accounts and data sources. Make will guide you through the process, asking for permissions to access both your Gmail and Team Leader accounts. Rest assured, Make takes security seriously, so your data is in safe hands. After connecting your accounts, check the template settings to customize them according to your preferences. Think about what information you'd like to include in your email. You might want to personalize the greeting or include additional details about your business and any special offers available for new contacts. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated workflow to send welcome emails using Make. This automation will ensure that every new contact added through Team Leader gets a personalized greeting in their inbox, freeing up your time and simplifying your communication process. Now you can focus more on engaging with your contacts and less on manual tasks. Happy automating!